Today I'm going to teach you guys the right material to study for the Siemens Certification exam. So for level 1, it's the Siemens Certified Mechatronics System Assistant. So basically, if you all don't know what this is emphasis is placed on efficiently operating complex mechatronic system, troubleshooting and foreseeing problems. Level 2 is Siemens Certified Mechatronic Systems Associate, which is focused on systems management, investigation, repair, and troubleshooting. So most of you are probably wondering how to study for it. So I will give you the tips and tricks on how to study for it. If you all are taking Siemens Level 1 exam, I will recommend the day they have a meeting and they put your name on a piece of paper. They will give you a packet, like a little study guide. I recommend reading those, studying it, taking notes, and also study any notes you guys have from your classes that you guys took, and study every single day for an hour and review, and then also do online quizzes and tests either on your computer, your phone. All you have to do is go to Google and search up Siemens Level 1 certification or Level 2 certification and put their practice test and then take those exams. My other thing I would recommend you all to do is study with a friend, study with anyone that you know that are also taking this exam. If you all quizzing each other, it's going to make your life easier. And also try to remember everything that you learned and study. My next tip would be always ask questions, whether to the person that is going to take your exam or the person that's with you on the day that you're all reviewing as a class. Ask questions, write those questions down, answer your own question, probably write any notes, ask your friend a question, and then wherever, depending on what their answer is, you write their answer on your piece of paper so it helps you study. So basically, you ask your coordinator the question, you ask your friend or a classmate, and then you write down your own notes depending on what their answers are. If you don't understand what you're reviewing on, and also always study, give time to study for it, and then hopefully with all those tips and tricks, hopefully you all pass. And I wish you all luck if you're all watching this video and you're all going to take the Siemens exam. We wish you all luck. And if you're just trying to, watch and try to know what Siemens certification is, well, you guys joined the right channel or right video. So hope you all learned something new today, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye guys. So before continuing, I'm going to give you guys some background information on Siemens. So Siemens AG, a global technology company, traces its roots to 1847 when Werner von Siemens and George Hosky founded the Telegrafen Bau Ancelot von Siemens and Hosky in Berlin, focusing on telegraph installations. Over time, it grew through mergers and expansions, becoming a major force in various sectors like energy, manufacturing, and healthcare. That's according to Google. And also, Siemens is basically a German company, but I think they're based in is owned in Germany, but they have one in the US, and basically is known worldwide.